This Phantom wallet did not grow to $8 million from luck. It grew because I stopped trading meme coins and I started launching them. If you want to know how it works, keep watching. Now, most of you guys do not know this already, but what if I told you that deving meme coins is way more profitable than trading? Why? Because when I used to buy and trade meme coins non-stop, bro, I used to buy a shit ton of coins thinking I was early and thinking I was going to make it big. But every single time I bought in, bro, I got completely obliterated. And that is why I stopped trading and I started launching. Because, bro, every single time I bought in, I just got dumped on right after by the dev. So I became the dev, and now I am the one who is orchestrating these types of tricks. Okay, when you launch, bro, you control the supply, the timing, and the entire narrative. You have nothing to lose launching because creating coins is literally free. It costs literally $0. So you're creating for free, waiting for buyers, then dumping on their heads. Simple as that, bro. And it's a simple strategy. It's actually easier to do it than to say it. Anyways, keep watching, bro, because in today's video, I will do a live example on how to create your first meme coin, then launch it on Pump.Fun, on Raydium too, and then dump it and then print some generational wealth, potentially turn $0 into like 2K or some shit, so keep watching. And by the way, bro, this entire video is for educational purposes only, also entertainment purposes only, so nothing here is financial advice, so just learn the strategy but don't use it. Chap! Now most people, right, when they want to start deving, they go to Pump.Fun to launch their meme coins. Now, bro, Pump.Fun is fucking bad. First of all, there's too many coins and zero visibility. It's just chaos, right? There's too many coins and it's oversaturated, and your meme coin needs to reach a $85,000 market cap for it to migrate, which is almost impossible, right? That's what I'm saying. Okay, that is exactly why you have to be using external launchpads. Like on Pump.Fun, bro, it's too tacky. Like create coin, like what? It's impossible, and when you launch it, nobody sees it. So you have to be using createcoins.io, because on createcoins.io, your coin launches directly onto the Raydium DEX, where it is fucking tradable instantly, and it will be viewed to tens and thousands of trenchers live on the fucking spot. Okay, that's exactly why I launch on this launchpad, because of the simple fact that you will get real buyers from the start and actual organic transactions. And that's why a bunch of people are gatekeeping this launchpad. Now here's how to make a coin on this launchpad. You can either create your own coin, so it's a simple setup. Go on X and look for a narrative. Some people go on Google, then they go on news, and they make coins based off of articles. It's all up to you. Right now, the Epstein files are literally fucking flying. They're going viral, right? But most people go on X to look for narratives, because you can either make meme coins out of tweets, like from Trump tweets, fucking, I don't know, Elon Musk, I don't know. Anyways, once you have a narrative, bro, come back to createcoins.io, invent a name, add a symbol, then add a quick image, and just like that, bro, your meme coin is live and up and running, custom made. But the second method, bro, is my favorite strategy, and it's the most profitable by now. I personally use it every single day, and that's the copy trending coins fucking tab right here. Now these coins already have attention and they're already going viral, meaning you will get instant buyers and higher profit potential from existing momentum if you copy them here. And bro, copying coins will actually surprise you because it's actually so free. Anyways, I'm gonna give you guys a quick example. Alright, let's run it. I'm going to launch a coin right now, and you guys will see how quickly it goes from setup to live and to profits. So first of all, make sure Phantom White is connected, then click on refresh to have all the new coins pop up in front of you guys. And I'm gonna copy a random coin, Pippin. It has it as by 1 second ago, so click on create coin. In the block, click on proceed, confirm and understand, then click on confirm right after, and then the coin will be copied. You guys will see. Just be patient. 3, 2, 1, boom. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this is where everything activates. We add liquidity and your coin right after will go live on Raydium immediately. Now the reason why we have to create our own liquidity pool right here is because we want to make money from our supply and from the creator fees, but on Pump.Fun, bro, they actually create it for you and they take a cut from your supply. Now, for the amount token A, just make sure you tap on 90%. That is gonna drop the liquidity inside the pool. For the amount token B, this is the spark that starts your market. That so it is not lost. Okay, by the way, it's not lost. It is just locked in to kick things off. The minimum is 0.3 Solana, and that so comes right back to you once the liquidity is removed. So it's a first buy, right? Every single coin needs a first buy, and you will be that first buy, and you are going to get that back later. I'm going to put 0.35 SOL, just a bit more to be safe. Click on create pool, and click on confirm. When that is done, bro, click on the refresh button, then scroll down, and boom, the Pippin coin is on live. Your profits will show up right here. And if you click on the refresh button for a second time to check your profits right here. Okay, now we're up $100, which is not too much, right? But considering that it was launched like 2 seconds ago, it is not bad. Click on view on Photon to see the chart, or Axiom or Nova, it's up to you. Let me go in full screen. And now the coin is live, bro. Come on, we're already up like $150 right here. 1.5k market cap right here. Things are looking good. And come on. Okay, a $70 buy right here. Oh, someone sold. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, bro. Even though, oh my god, $8. Okay, we're up $100 right here in a matter of seconds, bro. It's actually insane, bro. This is why you guys have to tap in with deving. The coin is pumping. You guys have to tap in with deving, bro. Oh my god, it's actually insane. We created this coin for completely free. Now we're getting all of these buys. Anyways, I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to pump. Alright guys, I am back and we are at a 4k market cap, 1.7k liquidity. Things are looking actually decent. Now, when you are ready to cash out and to make some money, come back to createcoins.io, and then obviously, bro, the classic refresh, hit that bitch. And now we're up 1.5k in profits. Now click on the minus button, then click on 100% to remove everything. Some people do half, and then when it goes up another half, it's all up to you. You can try that. You can just play around with it. Click on remove liquidity, then just wait. And as you guys can see, bro, we are going to receive 11 Solana on the Pippin coin. Click on confirm. And poof! That is exactly how you dev meme coins and make some generational fucking wealth. Now, I will not cut anything, bro. If I open my Phantom wallet, boom, $1.43 went straight inside my wallet. It's all legit, everything is here. Even though the market is really down, it's hurting, it's bleeding, we still ended up making 1.5 bands, bro. Like who, like what? It's like fucking, it's fuck you money, bro. Like, bro, try this method out, bro. And yeah, let me know in the comments down below how much you make.